How to dealing with incoming calls ringtone sound issue in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics, and then click on ringtone. Now here you can select any ringtone, and here you can select a classic ringtone. After that, go back, and here you can increase or decrease your ringtone sound. And after that, go back and swipe down to your control center and check if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open general and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.